Hi fourthies! Welcome to our math lesson. And as you can see on our screen, we have the divisibility rules. And on Friday, we had learned that these rules help us to determine when we could divide by a certain number and we wouldn't get a remainder. Now here, we are going to use these divisibility rules when it comes to reducing fractions. And some of these rules are fun and pretty easy to remember. Like, a number can divide by 2 because it ends with an even number. Or you know that a number is divisible by 5 because it ends with 5 or 0. Or, the most easy one, a number can divide by 10 because it just ends with 0. So, take a look at page 197 now. We're going to use these rules to reduce. I'm going to skip 1a and just go to 1b, right? 1b. Now, normally when I reduce a fraction, I would find the factors, right? Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Oh, look, they have 5 in common. Let's divide by 5. Now, I don't want to have to always list things. So what I'm going to do instead is think of the divisibility rules. Again, this is page 197, sorry. So can I divide by 2 for 5/15ths? No, they're not even. Can I divide by 3? Not so much, because remember with 3, I have to say 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Yeah, I could divide this by 3, but not this. So no, I can't divide by 3. Can I divide by 4? No, I can't divide by 4 because the last 2 digits of the number itself has to be in the 4 song, and neither of them are in the 4 song. But I can divide by 5 because they both end in 5. So 5 and 15 are divisible by 5. I'm going to skip C and look at D. 33 and 36 are divisible by. Now, can I divide them by 2? No, because they're both not even. Can I divide them by 3? I can, because watch. If I break this down to 3 plus 3, that's 6. This would be 3 plus 6, that's 9. And both of those numbers, 6 and 9, are in the 3 song. 3, 6, 9. So yeah, I can divide them by 3. So 33 and 36 are divisible by 3. I can use that number to divide and reduce this fraction. Let's look at E, 14 and 26. All right, are they divisible by 2? Yes, they're both even. Can I divide by 4? No, because the last 2 digits are not in the 4 song. Can I divide by 3? Well, that means I would have to do 1 plus 4 equals 5. No, because 5 is not in the 3 song. So most likely, I can divide E, 1426, by 2. This is fun, F. I'm going to go over F, and then we'll do G and H at our Zoom meeting. Do you notice here that for F, this is the fun part, they both end with 0. What rule says if they both end in 0, we divide by that? 10. So they're both divisible by 10. They both have to end in 0 though, okay? You can't be like, for H, you can't say, oh look, it ends with 0, so therefore it's 10. No, H is going to be different. Sorry. But yeah, keep in mind these divisibility rules, and what I did was I emailed it to your parents so that hopefully you can print them out if you have a printer at home, and then like tape them somewhere in your bedroom or workspace area, so you know where they are, and you can refer to it when you do the work. But it's really awesome to know these divisibility rules, and they're very handy when it comes to needing to divide and reduce fractions, and instead of having to like list all the factors, because that's a little time consuming. So here's your seat work. Number 2 on this page. Number 5, 6, and 7 on the back on page 198. And again, I will go over, if that's a word, probably not. I will review again number 1, because it's somewhat of a new idea and new concept. But the main point is I really want you to understand when these numbers, when these divisibility rules can be used. And we'll go over that at our Zoom meeting too. Like I said, some things are better to explain in person, even though we're on Zoom. Some things are better explained live, if that makes more sense. All right, so here's your seat work. It doesn't look like much on paper, but when you see the page, you're like, oh, that's a lot. But I know you'll be able to get it done. Thank you, fourthies. I'll see you soon.